Suppose you have to write a paragraph a paragraph about digital learning. Heading will be digital learning. In the introduction part, you should write what is digital learning. Digital learning is a method, method, method means পদ্ধতি, of learning through technology and digital medium. Nowadays, our life is full with digital devices, devices, যন্ত্রপাতি. We use devices like mobile, laptop, desktop, and many others things. Digital learning can be processed, processed, through these devices very easily. Digital learning has become a modern trend in the field of education. It is accepted and performed in many places. The main reason of this is the easy availability of internet. Nowadays, internet is available in most of the places. So, people can get the easy access of digital learning. Also, many people have smartphones because smartphones are the very popular device to access digital learnings. Digital learning has lots of advantages. Students can learn from their homes. Students need not to go outside. Also, they can get the quality teaching and teachers through digital learnings. A teacher can teach 1,000 students through digital learnings. Even digital learning helps the students of village side to get the quality teaching from the teachers of town or teacher of far place. Also, in case of video learning, student can hear and check the lectures or discussion whenever they want. Also, they can hear or see the video how many times they want. By this, they get a clear concept. But still, there are few problems in digital learning, especially in the remote areas. Digital infrastructure is not there. Infrastructure means porikatham. Students don't get the access of internet. Internet availability is not there. Because we have to remember one thing, if our country decides to adopt digital learning, it should be not for maximum, it should be for all. All should get the facility. We need to promote the concept of equal access to digital learning. Otherwise, the fundamental right of education is ignored. Government needs to allot separate budget for digital learning, and government needs to provide the proper devices to the students, especially the students who don't have them. Digital learning can be very useful. It is the future of education. So, we need to adopt ourselves in the digital learning, but it should be done for all. No one should not get the no one should be should everyone should be included in the process of digital learning. It should be the main aim.